Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning dear students. This is Muhammad Rashid, your maths teacher from Hera Public School, Fadgudiya Ambari, Azamgarh. In today's video, we will be learning about addition. So let's begin. First, we will clear about what is addition. Addition means counting the things or object together and write it again. Let's take an example. These are 3 stars. These are 3 stars and these are 4 stars. So these are 3 stars and these are 4 stars. If we say add 3 stars and 4 stars, then we use a sign which is called plus sign. This is plus. The sign plus means we are going to add 2 or more numbers. So 3 stars and 4 stars will be in total 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 stars. These are 7 stars. So this process is called addition. Addition means counting the things or object together and write it again. Clear? Now we are going to learn about addition fact. So in your book there are only 2 types of addition fact. The first one is we can add numbers in any order. The first one is we can add numbers in any order. The answer will be the same. The answer will be the same. Means if we change the order of the number and add, then we get the same answer. For example, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and if we change the order of the number, 5 plus 3 is also equal to 8. So in this question we have changed the order of the numbers, but the result is same. Let's take another example. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and if we write 1 plus 2, we change the order of 2 and 1. Here we put 1 first, after that 2. Then we will get the same answer. The answer is 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 1 plus 2 is also equal to 3. So the first addition fact say we can add numbers in any order. The answer will be the same. Second addition fact is on adding 0 to a number, the number remain unchanged. The second addition fact is on adding 0 to a number, the number remain unchanged. Let's take an example. 5 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 9 plus 0, 10 plus 0. So the second addition fact is on adding 0 to a number, the number remain unchanged. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. And 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Means the value of the number which is added to 0 will remain unchanged. Means इसकी वैल्यू में कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. अगर किसी भी नंबर में हम 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू में कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, वो वैल्यू वैसी ही रहती है. ठीक. सो ऑन एडिंग 0 टू अ नंबर द नंबर रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. क्लियर. मीन्स किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं तो वो नंबर खुद ही आंसर में आ जाता है. ओके. एडिशन ऑफ 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. To add a 2 digit number with a 3 digit number, first add the ones, then the tens, and finally keep the hundreds. Let's take an example. Add 532 and 23. So first we will write the larger number on the top. 5, 3, 2. These numbers are called addends. The number which are added are called addends. Okay. The second addend we write from the right side. So this is 3, this is 2. If we write in this way, 3 and 2, so this is wrong method. This method is wrong, so we have to write 5, 3, 2. After that 3 here and 2 here. मीन्स हम इसको राइट साइड से लिखना शुरू करते हैं. कभी भी लेफ्ट साइड से लिखना शुरू नहीं करेंगे, अदरवाइज हमारा जो आंसर होगा वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. क्लियर. ones, tens and 100. So first we add the number which is in the ones place. So in ones place we get 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And next we move to the tens place. In tens place we get 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now we come to the 100 place. So in hundreds place we get 5 in the top and we get nothing in the bottom. So 5 plus nothing means 5. So your answer is 555. The answer what we get in addition is called sum. एडिशन में जो हमें फाइनल आंसर मिलता है ऐड करने के बाद उसको हम बोलते हैं सम. सम इज स्पेल्ड एज SUM. Clear? Our next topic is addition of 2 3-digit numbers. To add 3-digit numbers, first add the ones place, then the tens place, and finally the hundreds place. Look at the given example. So we start adding from the right side. 3 and 6 is in the ones place, so we will add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now we move to the tens place. So in tens place we get 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now in last we come in the hundreds place. So 2 and 3 is in the hundreds place. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So your answer is 579, and this is called sum. So the answer what we get in addition is called sum, and sum is spelled as S-U-M. Now we will be learning about how to add three digits number, means addition of three digits numbers. To add three digits number, we add from the ones place and we add these two numbers first, after that this number. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here we get 5, and after that we will add 3 in the sum of first two numbers. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. मीन्स बेटा सबसे पहले हम ये ऊपर से दो नंबर्स को ऐड कर लेते हैं। ऐड करने के बाद उनका सम कितना आया, 5 आया। अब 5 में हम जो लास्ट नंबर बचा है, जो बॉटम में हमारा नंबर है, उस नंबर को इस 5 में ऐड कर देंगे। सो 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. After that we add 3 into the 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. After that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So your answer is 878. Clear?